Have you ever stared at a perfectly decorated cake in a bakery window and wondered, how on earth do they make so many, all looking so flawless? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on a world where baking meets high-tech engineering. We're going on a delicious journey inside an automated cake factory to see how our favorite sweet treats go from simple ingredients to frosted masterpieces. Forget your grandma's mixing bowl. This is cake making on a colossal scale. It all starts, as any good cake does, with the batter. But we're not talking about a small mixer here. Imagine giant, gleaming stainless steel vats, some holding hundreds, even thousands of liters of batter at a time. Precisely measured amounts of flour, sugar, eggs, and butter are automatically dispensed into these colossal mixers. Sophisticated sensors monitor everything: temperature, viscosity, mixing, time, ensuring every single batch has the exact same consistency. This isn't just about size, it's about science. The goal is perfect uniformity, so the last cake of the day is just as delicious as the first. Once the batter is mixed to silky perfection, it's time for the next stage. The perfectly mixed batter is then pumped through a network of pipes, like a delicious superhighway leading to the depositing station. Here's where the magic really begins to take shape. A machine with multiple nozzles, moving with incredible speed and precision, squirts the exact same amount of batter into thousands of baking pans, passing underneath on a conveyor belt. Whether it's for a classic round cake, a rectangular sheet cake, or even a fancy bundt cake, this depositor ensures every single one starts with the same foundation. There's no room for error, as even a slight difference in batter weight could lead to uneven baking. It's a mesmerizing dance of machinery, all timed to perfection. Now with our pans filled, they glide into the oven. But this is no ordinary kitchen oven. We're talking about massive, tunnel-like ovens that can be as long as a football field. The conveyor belt moves the cakes slowly through different heat zones inside the tunnel. This isn't just about baking. It's about controlled, progressive heating. The initial zone might be hotter to give the cake a good rise, while later zones provide a gentler, more even heat to cook it through without burning. This precise temperature control is crucial for achieving that perfect, moist crumb we all love. It can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour for the cakes to complete their journey through this fiery passage. Once they emerge from the oven, golden brown and smelling heavenly, the cakes aren't ready for frosting just yet. They're far too hot. So, the next step is a trip through a cooling spiral or a cooling tunnel. Imagine a giant, multi-layered spiral ramp that slowly carries the cakes upward or through a long, chilled chamber. This process gradually brings the cakes down to room temperature. Cooling them too quickly could cause them to crack or become dense. So this slow, controlled descent is essential. It's a critical, often overlooked step that preserves the cake's delicate texture. Only when they are completely cool are they ready for their sweet makeover. Next up, the decorating line. This is where the artistry and automation truly shine. If the cake needs to be sliced into layers, high-speed ultrasonic blades or fine water jets do the job with surgical precision, creating clean cuts without crumbling the delicate sponge. Then, it's on to the filling. Nozzles dispense a perfect layer of jam, cream, or mousse between the cake layers. It's a symphony of motion as the top layer is gently placed, and the cake moves on. For the frosting, cakes might pass under a waterfall of liquid icing that enrobes them completely. Or robotic arms with spatulas will spin and smooth a perfect layer of buttercream around the sides and top. These robots can replicate the movements of a master baker, but with tireless, flawless consistency, cake after cake. But what about the final touches? The beautiful rosettes, the chocolate drizzles, the elegant script. You guessed it, more automation. Robotic arms equipped with piping bag tips can create intricate floral designs, swirls, and borders in seconds. Other machines can sprinkle nuts or chocolate shavings with perfect distribution, while laser-guided systems can even drizzle chocolate or caramel in complex, beautiful patterns. For cakes with printed images, edible ink printers transfer vibrant designs directly onto the frosting. This level of detail, done at such high speed, is what allows us to enjoy beautifully decorated cakes at an affordable price. After the final sprinkle has been placed, the cakes move to the final stages: slicing and packaging. If it's a sheet cake destined for individual slices, automated cutters, sometimes using those same ultrasonic blades, divide it into perfect portions. Then, robotic arms, often using gentle suction cups, lift the finished cakes or slices and place them into their plastic domes or boxes. The packaging is sealed to lock in freshness. A label with all the necessary information is automatically applied, and the cake is finally ready. From here, they are boxed up, placed on pallets, and shipped off to grocery stores and bakeries, ready for you to take home for your next celebration. So, the next time you pick up a cake from the store, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has been on. From a massive vat of batter to a perfectly decorated centerpiece, it's a testament to the amazing fusion of baking tradition and cutting-edge technology. This automation doesn't take away the heart of baking. It simply allows more of us to share in the joy and sweetness that a beautiful cake brings. It's a process that ensures quality, safety, and consistency on a scale that would have been unimaginable just a few decades ago. It truly is a sweet science. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour through the world of automated cake making. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more behind-the-scenes looks at how our food is made, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments what food you want us to investigate next. Until then, stay curious and stay sweet.